Hey guys, let me show you how to bronze up your face. Here I'm grabbing my LA Gold Pro Concealer. We are going in firstly with our liquid products. So I am placing that in on my forehead firstly, and this is going to give us that illusion of a little bit of a smaller forehead. Not that I have a big forehead, but it's nice to just slim it down a little bit, and also on the cheekbones just to give some definition to the cheekbones. And like I said, remember to take a darker shade than your concealer that you usually use when you do bronzing. And then we just go on the bottom of the chin, because we want have a slimmer chin look and get rid of that extra chin. So we are going to blend that in with a beauty blender. You can go in with a blending brush, but I prefer to go in with a beauty blender because I feel it gives me a better finish, like a flawless finish when it comes to blending it into the skin. So I'm using tap motions, and you can already see the difference in the blend. So when I do my blending, I like to, especially on the cheek area, just go with an upward motion, and that will basically give us that nice shape and structure that we want to achieve when you want to achieve this bronzing look and just give some definition to your face. So I'm just going upward motions and using tap motions as well. So as you can see, it's already giving some definition, some snatched cheekbones. So already just by placing the bronzer on the cheekbones, and we are using, this is just the cream product, so still need to go in with the powders. So right now already you can see the difference in this look, and you're getting that bronzing and that definition and sculpting to your face. So this look is all about blending, so take your time in with the blend, go over it multiple times so it can set into the skin, because we don't want it to look cakey. We want it to still look skin-like but just defined. So here I am going in on that chin, so to get that nice one-layered chin. So to get rid of the double chin action, so just blending that in nicely, and you can actually see the difference just by doing this bronzing technique. Next we're going to grab our powder products, and I am grabbing my Beauty Treats contour palette, and as you can see I've been using this palette. There's barely any product left on some of it, so I am grabbing this dark brown bronzy bronzer shade, and I'm going to set the liquid or the cream products that I just placed on my cheeks and forehead, and we are going to set that with the contour palette. And these are the powder products that I'm usually using, obviously like I said, upward motion as well, just so that we can sculpt it out nicely and define the cheekbone and get the bronzing look that we're trying to achieve. So when applying the powder products, I usually use a blending brush. I feel that I get a better result when using a brush instead of a beauty blender. I think that it just sets the product nicely into the skin and it gives me that final result that I'm looking for. So when I do the blend, I make sure that I go very high up toward the temple of my head, and just to, you know, get that definition sculpted all around, not just on the cheekbones but very high up to the forehead. Place it on the temple and you basically get that sculpted bronzing look that you're trying to achieve. Yeah, so just try and even it out by going a little bit higher and not just placing it on the cheek, and just going all around on all over the face to sculpt it. So this is the final look and my bronzing technique that I showed you ladies today. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Do you like this bronzing technique? Are you going to give it a try? Let me know. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.